Milk looks simple, but hidden inside it is one of the most dramatic transformations in food. Butter doesn't start as something solid. It begins as milk, mostly water, with tiny droplets of fat floating inside it. These fat droplets are wrapped in delicate membranes, and as long as those membranes stay intact, the milk stays liquid. When fresh milk is left to rest, gravity does its thing. The lighter fat droplets slowly rise to the top, forming cream. That cream is richer, thicker, and packed with fat, exactly what you need to make butter. For thousands of years, people figured out that if you agitate cream long enough, something magical happens. You can shake it in a jar, churn it in a barrel, or whip it with a mixer. No matter the method, the goal is the same. Break those fat membranes. As the cream is churned, the fat droplets collide again and again. Eventually, their protective shells rupture. Once that happens, the exposed fat starts sticking to other fat. Tiny clumps form, then larger ones, until suddenly the mixture separates. This moment surprises a lot of people. What was once thick cream now splits into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. That buttermilk isn't the cultured kind you buy at the store. It's the watery leftover liquid, mostly water, milk sugars, and protein. The butter itself is still rough at this stage. It's rinsed with cold water to wash away excess buttermilk, which helps it last longer. Then it's worked or kneaded to squeeze out remaining moisture and make the texture smooth and spreadable. And just like that, butter is born. But here's where things get really interesting. Not all butter tastes the same, and that starts with the milk. The flavor of butter is deeply tied to what the cows eat. Grass-fed cows produce milk with different fatty acids than grain-fed cows, which is why grass-fed butter often tastes richer and more complex, and even looks more golden due to higher levels of beta-carotene. In many European countries, butter is made from cultured cream. That means the cream is allowed to ferment slightly before churning. Friendly bacteria produce lactic acid and flavor compounds, giving cultured butter its tangy, almost cheesy depth. This is why French butter tastes so different from the standard butter found in many American grocery stores. In contrast, most American butter is made from sweet cream, fresh, unfermented cream. The result is a cleaner, milder flavor that works well for baking, but can taste less bold on its own. Salt plays a role too. Salted butter doesn't just last longer, it enhances flavor and can completely change how butter tastes on bread or vegetables. Different regions use different amounts of salt, adding another layer of variation. Even the fat content matters. European-style butters often have a higher butterfat percentage, which makes them creamier, richer, and slower to melt. That extra fat is why they're prized by chefs and pastry makers. So when you taste butter from different parts of the world, you're tasting more than just milk. You're tasting pasture, tradition, bacteria, and technique, all wrapped up in something that seems simple but really isn't. From liquid milk to solid butter, this transformation is a reminder that some of the most everyday foods are the result of careful chemistry and centuries of experimentation. If you enjoyed learning how butter is made and why it tastes different around the world, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more food stories you won't look at the same way again. Thanks for watching.